welcome to our Wellness Wednesday series, Healthy Cooking Essentials. My name is Allison Knight and I am the health coach at Employee Health Center. Cooking at home can seem daunting, but in the end it can save you money and it can help you live a healthier life. In this series we are going to go through a variety of cooking gadgets and utensils that can help you make cooking at home more fun. So today's is the salad spinner. So you might be thinking, well, isn't a colander the same thing? Essentially, yes, but a colander is better for draining pasta and draining certain produce or washing certain produce, whereas the salad spinner actually propels the water off of things like green leafy vegetables or even berries, things that tend to have more crevices and take longer to dry. It propels that water off so it doesn't sit there and get soggy. There's nothing more frustrating than having soggy lettuce for a salad or on your sandwich for lunch. And not only does it make your immediate meal taste better, but by getting off as much moisture as possible, you can actually help make your produce last longer. You can wash an entire head of lettuce all at once. You can use the salad spinner to propel all of the water off. And then you can store it in either a semi-sealed bag with a piece of paper towel, which will then soak up more of that moisture, or you can use a perforated bag. So you seal the bag, but you perforate it with a little, like a safety pin or a needle to create some holes so that there's a little bit of air, but it's mostly sealed. Now it'll stay fresher longer, and you have lettuce or green leafy vegetables that are already clean and ready to use for your next meal. And again, too, with the berries, if you use the salad spinner to wick off the moisture from your berries, these tend to go faster because they aren't completely dry, and the water helps fuel them going bad faster, and so getting that off can help. So the salad spinner is a great option. You can obviously use the inside basket as a colander only if you just want to buy one thing. So you can still use this as simply a colander, but when you want to make sure that all of that water gets wicked away, you can use the entire salad spinner. Thank you so much for joining me today, and we'll see you next week on Healthy Cooking Essentials.